Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you an amazing and unmissable offer from Creative Fabrica. And this wonderful offer would never repeat again because it enables you to get the all access of Creative Fabrica within a yearly subscription. Yes, a yearly subscription, which means you can get the all access of Creative Fabrica, all contents of Creative Fabrica, including all vectors, all graphics, all photos, all templates, all presets, all premium fonts, and ready-to-use designs and much more, just for $30. Yes, you heard them right, just for $30. As you see here, get the all access 100 subscription yearly for just $30. In simple words, you can use all contents of Creative Fabrica for a whole year, and this annual subscription will be renewed for the same value as long as you remain as a subscriber on Creative Fabrica. One-time payment yearly just for $30. As you see, pay just $30 per year. Normal price over $300. Discounted price valid forever. Access to all graphics, fonts, classes, and much more. Personal and commercial license included. All contents of Creative Fabrica just for $30. So what's the mean of all access 100? 100 here means you have daily limits of your downloads that doesn't exceed 100 downloads per day. Okay, and unfortunately this amazing offer is valid only for some countries like India, Pakistan, Vietnam, the Philippines, Egypt, Algeria, Morocco, Colombia, and some other countries. So you can use this amazing offer just for $30. However, if you live out these countries, just you can use VPN to catch this opportunity and this amazing offer. So right now, take the action to subscribe to Creative Fabrica by using this annually and yearly subscription, $30, and you can use all contents of Creative Fabrica for a whole year. All templates, all presets, all ready-to-use designs, all premium fonts, and much more, one-time payment annually. See you in the next video.